How to fix your connection is private in your Google Chrome browser error. So first you'll need to open up your Google browser and then click on the three vertical dots here. Go to settings. Now you want to click on privacy and security on the left side menu. And then you want to click on security. Now you want to switch the safe browsing from enhanced protection to standard protection, or you can switch it to non-protection if you really want to visit that URL or website. But this is not recommended, as you can see here, so I'm going to leave it at standard. And then you want to scroll down, and under secure connections, make sure to disable this. Always use secure connections is turned off. You will also need to scroll down and under advanced category you want to disable the use secure DNS option. Make sure to turn it off like this. Now once you've done this, you can basically restart your Chrome browser, and then you can try to go to the URL or the page that you visited earlier and gave the connection private error, and that should solve the problem. And if you're still having an access issue with the URL or the link, you can come back to the address bar and try to remove the S from the HTTPS, and then you want to navigate back to your URL or address, and that should solve the problem. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.